Antonio's, the restaurant I was telling you about, man. Get the people right quick. That's the owner. Real quick. That's the owner. You know. See, I told you I hustle, man. Ain't no hustlers in my city. He's the owner of this restaurant. And he work here like he's a normal person. You see what I'm saying? And that's because he is a normal person. Like, one thing I don't like about the music industry, man, is I don't respect people that got record labels and they feel like they too good to talk to their artists and, you know, do songs with them and different things like that. Like, I have a problem with that. So I'm anti all that. You know, if you can't take constructive criticism, you're in the wrong business. You know what I'm saying? Believe that. Look at it with the dough. He got the dough. Get him doing that dough. We good. That's how we do it, Antonio's, man. Time to eat. Go get braided up, smoke something. Stay tuned.
Life of a Clover G. That's how we eat.